Dear students, in this video we will solve the margin questions and English workshop question from the poem To a Butterfly. इस पोएम के मैंने मार्जिन क्वेश्चंस और इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चंस का एक उर्दू और हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन और एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो बनाया है जो मेरे चैनल पर अवेलेबल है। अगर आप उसको देखना चाहते हैं तो लिंक उसका आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। और 9 क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के मैंने हर क्वेश्चन और आंसर का एक PDF तैयार किया है। अगर आप उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको खरीद सकते हैं, लिंक उसका आपको पहली कमेंट में मिल जाएगा। So now we will start with the margin question, and the first margin question is the poet a grown-up person or a child? So answer is the poet is a grown-up person. Now we will start the English workshop. The first English workshop question is pick out from the first stanza 4 expressions where the poet pleads with the butterfly not to go away. So answer first line stay near me, second line do not take thy flight, third a little longer stay inside, and fourth is float near me. Second question is match the words or lines and their meaning. So in first column the words or lines and the second column is meaning. So first line is do not take thy flight, it means do not fly away. Much converse do I find in thee, it means I want to talk to you about many things. Historians of my infancy, so it means reminder of my childhood days. Dead time revive in thee, it means in you I see the time that has gone by. A weary hunter did I rush upon the prey, it means I rushed upon the prey, means butterfly. Third question is say who. So A is reminds the poet of his childhood, so it is butterfly. B is afraid to touch the butterfly, so it is poet's sister. C is like a hunter, so it is the poet, and D is the poet's sister Emmeline. Fourth question is sometimes the normal word order is changed in the lines of a poem to emphasize something or to make the lines sound better. This change in word order is called inversion. Can you find examples of inversion in this poem? Write them down, then rewrite the lines using regular word order and compare the effect. Example, a little longer stay inside. Stay inside a little longer. So answer is first inversion, much converse do I find in thee. So regular word order, I do find much converse in thee. Second line is inversion, my sister Emmeline and I together chase the butterfly. Regular word, my sister Emmeline and I chase the butterfly together. Third is inversion, a weary hunter did I rush upon the prey with leaves and springs. So regular word order is I did rushed a weary hunter upon the prey with leaves and springs. Fifth question is the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is AA, BB, CB, CCB. Now write the rhyming words in the second stanza. So answer is days, plays, I, butterfly, rush, springs, bush, brush, wings. Note the words rush, bush, brush, their spellings look similar, but the pronunciation of the words is different. It is known as I rhyme. Find out examples of I rhyme and true rhymes from other sources. So answer is word, move, true rhyme, prove, I rhyme, love. So word is bow, true rhymes bow, I rhymes though. Word laughter, true rhymes after, I rhymes daughter. Word home, true rhymes roam, I rhyme come. Word put, true rhymes foot, I rhymes but. So these were the margin questions and English workshop question from the poem To a Butterfly. आई होप कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो की मदद से इस पोएम के मार्जिन क्वेश्चंस और इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चंस को लिखा होगा। अगर आप लोगों का कोई भी डाउट या क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर पूछिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ में शेयर कीजिए। और इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोज़ के लिए चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो।